What is the difference between someone and somebody? We use these two words for an unknown person. But always remember, we use someone when we are looking for an unknown particular person. Suppose that you are looking for a thief and you hear a noise from the second room, then you can say someone is there. But in generally you can say somebody is there, because when you use somebody it means you are not looking for a particular person, it means you are looking in generally you can say somebody is there. But if you are looking for a thief, if you are looking for a particular person, then you have to use someone is there. Someone is there because you are looking for a particular person, there is a purpose behind that. But in generally you can say somebody is there, because when you use somebody it means you are not looking for a particular person, in generally you are using somebody is there. So this is the difference between someone and somebody. I hope you are enjoying the classes with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.